Hi friends, welcome back my channel Unity Car. This is the 2025 Mahindra Thar 5-door, but at first glance, you'll think it just rolled out of a futuristic movie. Have you ever seen a Thar this stylish, this aggressive, this powerful? Sure, we've seen Thars before, but this one, it looks like it was dreamed up by a designer in a sci-fi fantasy. If Batman lived in India, this would be his first choice, hands down. Tell me, is there any other SUV that has this kind of road presence? And this isn't just a 5-door version, it's a full-on challenge thrown at the entire SUV world. Drop a comment, who do you think is the real competition for Thar now? And don't forget to watch till the end, because we'll reveal some design details that most people haven't even noticed yet. Ready? Let's take a trip into the future, where Mahindra has given Thar a whole new identity. Let's start with the bold and commanding front fascia. The 2025 Thar 5-door comes with a more muscular and aggressive front grille than ever before. The vertical slats are wider, and the matte black finish gives it a premium, rugged vibe. The LED headlamps now feature new DRLs that create a circular orbit effect. It feels like there's electricity in Thar's eyes. The front bumper has sharp angular cuts and a newly designed skid plate. Not just for show, this is about full protection and utility. Coming to the side profile, oh man, this 5-door layout gives it a commanding length. For the first time, Thar features a wheelbase this long. Its wheel arches are so bold, they look like they belong to a battle tank. The 18-inch alloy wheels come with a brand new dual-tone design, built ready for off-road action. Black cladding along the side enhances its macho appeal. But the real show stealer, the panoramic hard-top roof. This transforms the Thar into a next-level adventure SUV. At the rear, you get newly designed LED tail lamps. The spare wheel is still gate-mounted, but the fresh cover design makes it look like this beast came straight from the future. The rear bumper now includes updated contours that add an aerodynamic feel. This isn't just a Thar, this is Mahindra's design revolution. And yes, the color palette is completely refreshed, fiery red, midnight black, and an all-new desert tan that will steal your heart at first glance. Under sunlight, this paint job shines like literal magic. So friends, are you ready to see the 2025 Thar rule the roads? If yes, type Thar Beast Mode on in the comments. And if you think this is the most stunning SUV design of 2025, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with all your friends who live and breathe Thar. And don't forget to subscribe to Unity Car, where every car tells a real story, in real style. See you in the next video. Until then, keep your throttle wide open and keep rolling in style.